Hi there, crafty friends. I haven't been live on Facebook in a very long time, so I'm hoping this comes out okay. If it goes as expected, I will start scheduling them. But I wanted to show you our 12 Days of Crafting Advent Calendar because I bought one for myself, and this is what it looks like. It's a pretty good size box, right? And I thought I would open one day a week, but can you believe that it's already just over 11 weeks until Christmas? So I need to open 2 of them today. So if you plan on getting this and you want to be surprised by what's inside, don't watch this video. Now this box comes with a stamp set, and it's a 24-piece stamp set. Lots of fun stamps inside there that it's not seasonal, it's for all year long. So let's take a look at day 1 and day 2. And I see you're watching, Lisa. I thought I would, if you don't want to see what's inside this box, don't keep watching. But I have already perforated the box openings to make it a little bit easier. So here is day 1 over here, right there. And let's see what's inside it. So it's a pretty good sized box, right? So this is heavy cardboard, and you just punch right through it. Open up the door, and it's a little die set. Pretty nice little die set. And I see I have a slow connection for this Facebook Live, so no telling how it's going to come out. But this looks like a die set that's going to match some of the stamps. Let me see if I can see how many pieces are in it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces with a flower that could be like a poinsettia that matches the one on the stamp set, with the another flower that you can layer that matches the stamp set. A cute little middle. Oh, Lisa, no power at school? That's too bad. But I'm glad you get to watch because you can tell me how it's going. Okay. Here's another little flower that you could probably layer. It looks like it layers onto this stamp set, or it can be done alone. Here's a little leaf that's maybe 3/4 of an inch tall. And another little leaf that is a little bit smaller, a single leaf image. And a cute, cute little butterfly. Now there is a butterfly on the stamp set, and it has the body there as well. So this little butterfly, which is about 3/4 of an inch, if you can see her, will make a cute little image. Now this scalloped square, about 1 inch in diameter, 1 by 1, has a little rainbow on it. So that'll be real cute to put on a card. Now, all of these products are meant to coordinate. So that was box number 1. That was number 1. Now let's see what's in door number 2. That's this big one over here on the side. Door number 2. We need a drum roll, right? Okay, door number 2 is the biggest one of the doors. Oh my goodness. Look what's inside. 6x6 paper. So that's kind of crazy, but I like it. A 6x6 paper pack. Now I'm just going to open the first 2 doors today because I thought maybe opening one each week until Christmas, and then it caught up with me all of a sudden. So let's see what's going on in this paper pack. 6x6 papers. Looks to be like a pretty good sized pack of papers. Now they look like they're one-sided, unlike the regular two-sided papers. They are white on the back, but it looks like they match the stamp set with all these fabulous sentiments and the die set. Now this 24-piece stamp set has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sentiments on it. So, and they are general sentiments that can be used all year through. Let's see, there's 1, 2, oh, okay, 2 pieces of each paper. Here's the floral one. This is, I don't know whether you'll be able to see it. It's basic beige with white leaves on it. 2 of those. Oh, this is pretty. Happy print. 2 of those. Now you don't have to decide which side of the paper to use for this one, so that might be a plus because then we don't have to decide. Okay, a real pretty and pink floral papers. A kind of mottled, blotchy, pretty pink background paper. Another daisy paper that looks like it matches the flowers. A garden green, I believe, piece with leaves on it. And another blue one, very pretty. Lots of floral patterns, but very nice for card making or scrapbooking. And it's nice that it's not holidays because then we can get more out of our investment. So I hear that they have run out in other places, but in the U.S. we still have some of these 12 days of crafting advent calendars. So it's not too late to get one for yourself or a crafty friend. And last, here we have another blue pattern. Very pretty. Let's see how many papers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. I think 24 sheets of 6x6 papers. So those are door number 1 and door number 2 of the 12 days of crafting advent calendars. And if you're interested in seeing more, I will post some more. There's the stamp set. Now when you get it in the package, the stamp set is separate, so it shows itself. So you don't have to worry about being surprised when you open it, if you like to be surprised. I might even open more doors on this because Christmas and the holidays will be here before you know it. And then we won't have time for crafting. So I hope you had fun watching this. I had fun opening it. And I hope you have a great day. I'll see you again soon with another live if this one works out. And thanks for watching. Bye.